Hey guys, I'm Jeff from Courtjeffster, and today we're going to make an origami army tank. This is the magic of folding paper, and in my opinion, will always be one of the best origami. It's easier to make than you'd think actually, so if you're up for it, let's do it. What you're going to need is 2 sheets of printer paper and a pair of scissors. I'm going to use that one later. So first thing we do is fold it in half, the long way. Okay, open it up. Then we're going to fold the sides towards the center crease. Okay, once you have that, take the top corner, gonna fold it down to the crease that we just made. We folded these towards the center. So we're gonna fold this down like an airplane fold. And if you haven't made an airplane fold, it's diagonal like that. By the way, if it doesn't come out even, just refold it, adjust it, so it'll look better. But either way, it's just practice, and it'll be good anyway. So take the bottom edge and move it towards the center. So the folds are repeating themselves. Then we're going to do the same for the top. This edge towards the center. Press it down, make a nice crease. Okay, now we take this one that we just folded towards the center, we're going to bend it backwards so that it meets this edge. The folds get smaller, and turn it around and repeat. Do the same. See, it should look like this because you folded this backwards. What we're going to do now is turn it over, and they call this eyeballing it. We're going to fold it so that they overlap each other. It might be a little stiff, but just go with it. And you want to make sure this doesn't come out too far ahead or too far behind. So try and adjust it and see if it can come out towards around this point. And if it does, give it a nice flatness, flat squeeze so that it lays flat. Now it looks like a monster truck ran over it, but that's okay. We're going to make it look like a tank. So lift this up, and you have these 2 flaps in here. You're gonna open one, and you have this slot, and you're gonna place this underneath, right? And then flatten it. And you'll do the same thing here. So it'll look like this. If it's uneven, just adjust it. Okay, now turn it over and you see the bottom. This is the last step before the cannon. We have this bottom here, and we have this part. And on the side, you notice this. So take your thumb and your forefinger. With your thumb, pull this up. Your forefinger gently push the back. And push it out till it fully extends. And this is supposed to look like the wheels, but we're missing the cannon, right? So what you want to do now is something very simple. The easiest thing you'll do in origami. You want to just roll a piece of paper. So that's what we're going to do. We'll roll it, and then we'll cut it down to size. And you'll see what it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to trim this before I do it anyway. Right. Okay, cut this part. And there's your tank. It also doubles as a walkie-talkie. That's up to you if you like walkie-talkies. If you want to see more fun videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Until next time, see you later.